What am I say? Whom I represent for God's nation? See the stamp of approval by my mass. Now we're going to set the Halloween mass soon drop. Here what I say right about now. First and foremost, I want to say this from now, before the album get nominated for Grammy. Right now, I think Sharp Boss supposed to get producer for the year. 2 Billboard albums she drop. Not to mention the hit singles them. I want to see the World Boss post up the cover art with a remix with Cute Rider with him, Popcorn and Spice. You know, a crazy shellings again. People now can't stop anticipate that. No lollipop thing in my game. Here we are going now. Oh, the man them act like say, well then, I know World Boss thing the whole of them study. Eh? You know like the basketball game, you know the man them study the player them and them have players report where man study them move and try to stop them, defend them the way how them attack them. You understand me? So the man them study all of Vibes Kartel movements and stuff them when do in a dance hall, just down to the way how the man pose, the way the man shape him finger him and everything. Yes, when I deal it, and then them act like them no one pay no respect. Personally, nobody not to agree with me, but me personally no intence though have an image for himself. The image where him have a Vibes Kartel image, a Vibes Kartel bring that to dance hall. And no boy can't say a lie me I tell. Yes, so when I say, no gimmicks not in my game, you know. Why you think me wear the automated hat? Because I'm going to talk about the automated artist. Let me tell you something. A Universal Studio sell them at $60 for it. There are even my snappers them. Hear what I say. Right about now. Me hear to boss say intence full of big pose and I wear the soldier man puppy in a clothes. Then Agshita God tell me say him stuff the boot with newspaper because a size 14 and it bigger than him foot. You remember me not there in Jamaica, me not know, me just go off of what the man say. Hear me because me not there down there. No. Watch. Hear me I say right about now, no, man. So after all these things them go around and steal from the World Boss, them go like say well then. Them and the World Boss, they on the same level. Hear what me I say. The world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, man, carefully. Hey, a franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general, you know it go already when I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. You know it go when I load up. Here, man, crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. You know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. The people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. The most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Hear what I say? Right about now, you know. I see the whole internet are going crazy and I chat this and I chat that. This is why enough boy not really like the way how I represent and them claim me a fight down artists. Just because me is a man, I not swing with the crowd and I go tell you the thing as it goes. I not go make up nothing and tell you, I tell you the real shit as it goes. Thing where everybody know and a lie, I tell. Watch what I go on. Right now, I'm kind of confused with what I go on in the dancehall business right about now. Yes, when I deal with that shit, that confuse me. So I see J area they put out last night when them have them call-in program and people are calling and some people are say, well, intence a lead clash. Some people are say, skillibeng a lead clash. I'm confused. I never know say a clash are going. But to me personally, No clash can't start until intence called skillibeng name. When you hear me I say Gaza Nation, him have to call the man name first before the clash can go on. Because remember, that Gaza Diva did expose, and I make him know him a look half of the man, that's why I do. That's why I do this half of the man, privately, She make him know that, and the girl find him out, and bust out him look at thing where him do, Him claim, him not look no hype off of the man, and him not clash no man, and him a tell the girl the most famous word where Jamaica create. I tell the girl to suck out her mother. Well, listen to me. Any boy when I suck his mother, suffer from nutrition, Him end up reach all in his 30s and him 40s and still have problem having a kid, because him suffer from nutrition. Any baby when I suck breast. Because remember, doctor say breast good for little baby, much less big man. So if a man want to feel like a gimmicks or a joke thing me I make, ask the big man them why them like suck breast then now. Alright. Here what me I say. Him claim say Gaza Diva, I tell lie upon him because I'm not look no strength from the man, nah clash no man. So you tell me what is going right now. That I want to know, I want to know what is this, what's going on right now. I'm going to say everybody forget that, and I jump and I talk about this and that, Me hear everybody, jump, forgot all what I'm saying, And I talk about this and that. Remember me tell you, no clash can't go on until him call skillibeng name. And I make me tell you something, I hear a whole heap of people on the internet where people are calling him name and I say him a lead clash. Lead what? I must in your mind or in your imagination. Lead what? When you see the whole of Trinidad come out and tell you say a skillibeng and lock down the whole of down there. And you can watch a Trinidad chart for 2 and ask and see what go on. Nobody know have to tell you nothing. You see what I deal with? The only way intence can lead the clash to me. The whole of Vietnam have to come out and I say yang. The whole of Pakistan have to come out and say yang. The whole of India have to come out and say yang. The whole of Iran and Iraq and them places have to come out and say yang. If them not come out come say yang, that means say yang not exist down there. So you see what I say? We see Trinidad come out and I say fully skilly. The whole of Trinidad I say bang, bang, bang. I don't have no joke thing, no lollipop thing. The whole of Trinidad I say east side. You see what I deal with? And another lollipop thing. Right now, skillibeng thing shut off. It gone first class. From you can come outside of your country and have a next country or a next Caribbean island. You know what I mean? In the world, I say, I call on your name and I say, Ray. From them, I say, Ray, that means you know your thing shut off. I don't even know joke thing. Remember, I'm not come from Trinidad. That's what I did, and him no want to be because him not put him name on some country where I get ridiculous views when nobody no know of. Now you not have no stamp or approval of. You see what I do with furthermore skillibeng take over the whole of the man base and right now skillibeng and the whole east side gang upon the green wall a blaze up and a sip up. You see what I do with from Sikara and go drop the big bad video up there and them skate out of the place. The man them just control the turf for them stamping ground. Be a skimmage the man them a play all in front and gate and them shit there. You see what I say? No lollipop thing not in a head. You know, when I represent no full way, all know me not hear nobody a come out come talk about them thing there. Him can't lead skill in the clash. It show you that. You know what I mean? Skillibeng have one whole Caribbean country about out east side. You see what I deal with? And Jamaica right now split up in a many different pieces when it comes to artist business and when it comes to even him and Skilly. You see what I deal with? For instance, same have half of Jamaica and Skillibeng have the next half. Skillibeng now have the whole of Trinidad. Him not even have peace. Me not hear no other Caribbean country a come out and I say, well, then I young them say, me not hear it. Plus the whole of New York I say skilly. I me hear people calling and I talk about, I told him say, rape vibes cartel, that's why. Why not say I call the youth wicked? Yeah. So what you don't want him to do? You know want the youth talk the truth. Remember, say the youth are educated youth, when I run down hype business, because the youth know say hype on the last a minute or a second, Remember, foundation concrete thing the man are building, the man not stupid, The man not see what happened to alkaline, thinking blind. Yes, him come out hold on pan vibes cartel, respect and the same way him hold on pan in his career. Just a follow up the man's name. Him can't get him name anywhere else. You don't see that? You think skillibeng stupid? Or what? So all of the hear them come out and I chat this and I chat that. Them never talk nothing positive to me. Because first thing I make you know Gaza Nation, the clash cannot start until this little youth called Skillibeng name. Remember and try violate Gaza Diva just because she show him that. And right now everybody a jump up and I talk about, yeah, the clash on. When did come out come say? When did come out come chat say? You forgot? Yo, all the little fool song them where you drop on people rate it up and them shit there. I say it belongs to my Universal Studio. And that's why I wear the thing does to make you see it. It's when I straight down at Disney World. No lollipop thing. It belongs to the chipmunk them. Yes, when I deal with Alvin, Simon and Theodore. That style it belongs to. Yes, when I deal with come with difference and boy I talk about skillibeng for change him flow. Only so biased and only so contrary and stupid. So what happened to him? What happened to him? He need to change everything. And that me I talk about. How long you have to carry on that stuff there? You can do some reality music that way there. Because from your product of the ghetto, you have to speak out for the ghetto youth them too, I can't one way what a song you do, Him can't do no type of reality music, them type of animated way there. But when intence start talk, you don't like it, don't it? I not go make up no and chat about it. It's when I deal with if I know something will happen. The whole of you know say come out, try violate Gaza Diva. Say now look no hype from Skillibeng, nah clash no man. Now I see the whole of you I go like say, man bust off fellow chair for jump up. Clash this, clash that. Not until him come out and call Skillibeng name before me say the clash start. Because Gaza Diva expose him and him come out and say I never that him a do. And the whole of now want to be a blind eye to it, but you know say the 10-star one not deal with lollipop thing. And anytime you hear me represent a full effect thing. Hear me man? You know a Gaza 90 rifle and Glock thing. Watch me man. You know me not easy. I grade me smoke, me no bun beady. You no believe me? Watch me no man. The general 10-star wanna represent Gaza where they ain't no other way. 10-star general. What?